this is interesting software called Boxshot. If you want to create a mockup rendering for animation, physics, and anything, if you have a product, something like this, and you don't know thing about rendering, about modeling, just you want to tell the other, okay, this is my product, just you want to drag and drop and render, you can use this software. For example, you have artists, you want to introduce your product, you don't know thing about rendering, 3D software, you can use this stuff. This is a gallery. You can see if you have a book, if you have a product, something like this, you can see the quality of the render. It has a lots of customizable assets that you can use on your product. And just simple drag and drop the model, change the texture, and simply render and output and introduce your product in Boxshot. Okay, let's learn this easy and interesting software.